Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make mutton meat. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. You will need a half a kg of mutton meat, or you can use any type of meat you like. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by black pepper a half a teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, mutton spicy optional 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder a half a teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, then sprinkle some salt and afterwards squeeze 1 lemon and add 3 tablespoons of yogurt to make the meat more soft. Then lastly, add a half a cube of jumbo, or if you don't have jumbo, you can use 1 Maggi cube, and mix everything well. Then lastly, I added 2 tablespoons of ghee and give it a quick mix. Then cover the meat and let it marinate for 2 hours or so. After marination, you have 2 options. You can bake the meat in the oven, or you can just cook it in a low-medium heat till the meat becomes soft and tender. Let the meat cook slowly by slowly till the meat becomes soft and tender like this. And when ready, put the meat on a plate or a bowl. And your mutton meat is ready. You can serve it along with chips, chapati, bread or rice and enjoy your mutton meat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of meat, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.